Hello and welcome back to Planet Coaster Hard Mode. Thank you for joining us once again. This is part number 4. Make sure you do watch part number 3 where we build that incredible white coaster, suspended coaster junior one just on the right hand side there. And the moment what I'm doing now is I'm actually just shifting everything to the right a bit, so now the merry-go-round kind of queue line. It's a mess. I do not like the main entrance one bit. It's just one big straight path really, and then you've got rides either left or the right. It's just not great. It doesn't look great either. As you can see now, I'm just quickly tidying up the paths. Oh, the paths in this game. Oh my gosh, so bad. On the ATM here, I'm just in a sense I really want to make a big giant plaza with kind of like turnstiles as well. I want brick instead of wood, so during the times like what you'll see me change a lot of the wood into brick. I have to do it because it's just a pain in the bum, to be fair. Like I say, the path system is awful. That needs seriously sorting out in the next Planet Coaster 2, if it ever comes out, that is. I think the next episode what we might do is we might actually crack on with the coaster, doing the station, and actually doing another coaster as well. Thinking about doing an indoor spinning coaster, like a space kind of thing. That'd be pretty cool, but I'll talk more about that later on after this times lap. So guys, all I'm asking now is just to sit back, enjoy, and here we go. Okay guys, there we go. I do hope you enjoyed that little bit of time lapse. Let's have a quick gander of what we've just done now. Obviously we've just built this whole new, I don't know what is going on with this Z-Vite in here, mate. I'm going to obviously decorate it in here, get some stools or whatnot, make that look more of a kiosk, get some turnstiles going on here. I don't know why is everyone dancing to jump around. Everybody jump, jump. I don't know what they're doing, mate. Why is everyone waving? Hey? I don't know what's going on with that. What's up with people? Why are they not moving? Oh, I don't know. I have no idea. Why is no one moving? In fact, is it even open? What? Why is everyone... What they're saying? This park is great, help me. Well, how? Anyway, I saw that off track. So let's have a look what we've done pretty much. We've obviously turned now the chief beef and the cosmic cow into a brick kind of laying thing here. I'm not liking this at all. We need to do some kind of decoration. We've got a bit of floating going on here, so I'll do that off camera as well. We're going to decorate around here a bit. I don't know what quite, but I do like this area here. You know, when you first come into a theme park, anyone, you know, the ATMs and the toilets are always outside before the park, so I'm happy with that. I need, obviously, with the coaster itself here, I need to, yeah. We are clipping through. Oh, they're saying that looks quite nice, actually. Is it? Is it going to actually... Yeah, I'm going to have to shift all this along so it looks like it goes under. Right. So overall, I'm actually quite happy with this, apart from everyone seems to be being stuck. I don't know why everyone is stuck. But yes, it's good. I'm enjoying it. Cash, that didn't cost me too much. I'm not really too sure, actually, about these bits here. I don't know what to do about it though, to be fair. I'm just gonna have to probably play around with it a bit more, but there you go guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed part 4 here on Planet Coaster hard mode. Hopefully part 5 we're going to be trying to do, I'd say I want to do like a finish off the station here. That's what I need to do. I need to finish off this area, open this up to the public, and then probably definitely work on this side here of the space area, turn this into a whole sci-fi kind of area, do an indoor coaster or something, maybe a spinning one with the stars and moons and planets and stuff. That'd be pretty cool. Obviously I'm going to get some of these as well and plant these here, so you've got your own little turnstiles. But overall, yeah, that's what's going to happen probably in the next episode, in part number 5 here on Planet Coaster. And there you go. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe, and if you want to be notified, make sure you do hit that bell icon. So there you go guys, that's it. I'm Danny from Theme Park Family, and thank you for watching. Take care guys, bye bye.